looking like an Afghan bride, you know. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this dramatic green eye makeup look. This is actually a hollow eye makeup look. I'm gonna show you from close. Look, but this is not a cut crease. I didn't cut my crease with any concealer or anything. I just used eyeshadow directly on my eyes with my finger. When I'm gonna do the makeup, you're definitely gonna see that, but this is the look I'm gonna do today. This is gonna be very dramatic. If you guys think that you're gonna wear something like this, this is the dupatta, by the way, omna jeta bole. Ooh, I'm a movie heroine, but it has green, it has gold, and it has pink, so that's why I put green, I put gold, and I put pink on the lower lash line. This is a special makeup look. You can do this on Eid day, definitely. This is a very glamorous makeup look. As you can see, it has glitters as well, and it's colorful, it's nice, it's like, it's perfect for summertime Eid. So those of you like dramatic eye makeup, look, you can definitely try this look on Eid day. And if you have green outfit, definitely you can do this look. It's more like night appropriate makeup look. If you go out in nighttime for any party, you can definitely wear this look at nighttime. Those of you like dramatic makeup, you can wear this at daytime as well. That's completely fine. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notifications. So yeah, let's not talk anymore. Let's jump into the tutorial. And I'm gonna use some moisturizer. Today, as a moisturizer, I'm using actually a face oil. I have oily skin, but I'm using oil because recently I'm following a specific skincare routine that actually cleared my skin, but it leaves my skin really dry, so I started using face oil. So I'm using squalene oil. I don't know if you know that. As a primer today, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait for 1 minute and then I'm gonna do my foundation. As a foundation today, I'm using my Lancome Tint Adole Ultra Wear Foundation. My shade is 320 Bisque. I'm gonna blend it with my Morphe M439 foundation brush. As a concealer, I'm using my favorite Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm using two shades, light medium and light sand. I'm just using very little because I don't have really bad darks. I have dark circle, but it's not actually very bad. So if you think you have very bad dark circle, you can use more. I'm using my favorite powder, Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just using it only on my under eye area just to set my concealer. First, with the fluffy brush, I'm gonna set all of my eyelid because I used concealer before. So I'm gonna set it with the powder so that it's easy to blend the color. If you don't set it, if you just go directly to your eye makeup, what's gonna happen, it's gonna be really hard to blend your eyeshadow and it's not gonna be nicely blended and it's gonna look very patchy. So it's always better to set your eyes first with a powder. I'm thinking to do a look with green. I mean this, oops. I'm thinking to do a green eye makeup thing today. My Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession palette. As you can see, it's a very beautiful palette. I actually bought it a few months ago, but I never get a chance to use it. But today I'm thinking that why not? So I'm gonna take this color right here, as you can see. I'm using this color as my transition color. I already did my eyebrows off camera, but if you want to see a detailed eyebrow tutorial, no, I'm gonna do a separate video for that. I'm gonna go directly to this color. Now with the blending brush, I'm applying this color on my outer corner, on my inner corner as well, and I'm also blending this on my crease area as well. Be careful when you use in the inner corner. If you want, you can use a smaller brush so that it doesn't go here. You know. I think I'm doing a green eye for the first time in my channel. I usually don't do colorful eye makeup. Okay. You know what? I'm thinking to use a yellow color on top of it just to give it some warmth, because I'm thinking that it's gonna look more cool tone if I just keep it like this. So I need a warm tone of a James Charles palette. This one right here. I'm applying this yellow color very lightly on my transition area. After the controversy, people started saying that the palette is actually not good. Especially the people they used to rev this palette before, now they started saying that this palette is not good, which is not true. The palette is actually really good. The same palette, I'm gonna take this green color because I'm thinking that the green from Huda Beauty, it's not on James Charles one, it's like nice green. Actually exactly the green I wanted. Now I'm gonna take the black color from the James Charles palette and I'm kind of darkening it up in the corner. Now I'm gonna blend the previous green color with it. Not doing a hollow cut crease makeup. I'm doing like smoky hollow makeup. So if you want to do a hollow cut crease makeup, in that case you can just use some concealer and you can cut your crease in here, this part in the middle. But I'm not doing it now today because this is not a cut crease makeup look, this is kind of a smoky makeup look. So I'm just using my eyeshadow directly. Right, I'm using this color right here from Huda Beauty palette and I'm using my finger to apply this at first. This color is so pretty, oh my god. This is such a beautiful color. Then I'm applying some gold loose glitter on top of the gold shimmery color that I used.
Then as usual, I'm applying my Stella felt tip liner as my liner today, but I'm not making any wing. Then I covered my lashes and applied some falsies off camera.
Okay, now I'm using some cold liner in my waterline. And I'm using the one from Urban Decay. For lower lash line, I'm actually thinking to use a pink color. This color.
As my outfit has some magenta pink, so I'm applying a little bit of pink color on my lower lash line. But if you don't have any pink, or if you don't want to use pink at all, then you can just use a neutral color like medium brown. Then I'm dusting off my powder from my under eye, and I'm also applying the same Laura Mercier powder on my full face as well.
Now I'm gonna contour my face with Anastasia contour palette.
I'm taking this medium brown color and I'm contouring my cheeks, my jawline, and also my forehead. As a blush, I'm using a pink color from my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush palette.
Now I'm gonna take Emeraldy as always, and I'm gonna highlight my high point.
Don't forget to highlight your inner corner and brow bone.
Now I'm gonna apply mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, I'm so tired now. Now it's time to do the lips, and after that we'll be all done. I always, whatever eye makeup I do, I always do nude because I love nude. I think I'm gonna do nude today as well. I'm gonna use Leo from Jeffree Star. Let's see how it looks. I think it's looking really good itself. What do you think? I think I'm gonna use a little bit of lighter color only in the middle, cause I don't know, I like a ombre. Just a little bit.
So yes, this is the final look.
Love you guys, all of you. Love you guys so much. I hope all of you guys are happy Ramadan Mubarak. I'm definitely fasting. It's really hard when you fast and talk too much. It's really hard. So I don't want to talk anymore. I'm like so dry here. So freaking dry, and I'm talking continuously. So I just want to end this video here. I hope all of you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notification. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, take care.